In the ultimate reality, or even the physical reality, everything is one and different. I am one with my wife and different. I'm one with my job and different. I'm one with this body and different.
Yes, right.
And you go to the highest, the highest theological conceptions or ontological conceptions of God, and it's all one. No, it's Bade. No, it's Dwait. It's Adwait. It's Shuddha Dwait. Lord Chaitanya said, no, forget it, you guys. Put everything in the Khichdi. Put in Shuddha Dwait, put in Vishishta Dwait, put in Advaitavad, put it all in, mix it all up. Wow, voila! This is it. Achintya Beta Abeta Tattva. It's like you put your card on top of mine. I put my card, and then finally, bam! I'm the top. So this is it. It's so fantastic, this philosophy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because when the consciousness expands to the ultimate extent, when it's free from all subtle contaminations of ego, the most subtle kanika, the subtle kankan, the subtle particles of ego and self-identity and self-enjoyment, when all that's gone, even the idea of being God and everything, then one will realize that this is the actual top siddhanta, achintya beta beta tattva.